Hello, let's continue our ano, mini journey. Mini journey. So, umupo tayo din sa sa labas ng car park. Anong Lidl sa may car park. Tapos may lumapit sa akin. Sabi niya, nag-vlog ka. Sabi ko, ano lang for keeps. Kasi nahiya ako. Nag-chikahan kami ng konti. Tapos may mga info siya about the place. And konting introduction. Tapos yun, mabait siya. And after that, sabi ko, punta na ako sa may coffee shop. So yung coffee shop, ayan yung coffee shop. Ayan yung coffee shop, guys. Ayan. Pasok tayo. Sana mura lang. Kasi yung karon yung pera ko. Or maybe mag-accept lang ng credit card. Let's try. First time ko mag-coffee shop dito sa Northern Ireland. Okay, so Queen, ang tawag sa coffee shop maybe is Betty's Coffee Shop. So, punta natin. Saan yun? So, no, it's the other side. I think it's the other side. So, i-try natin. Parang gusto kong mag-coffee kasi it's malamig eh. Okay. Sige, bye for now.
Iced Americano.
Okay, so
Then matcha.
what do you suggest again? Sorry.
There's a cappuccino,
Cappuccino.
latte.
I want a little bit sweet.
Sweet? Yeah, so maybe a latte with syrup.
Yeah, a latte. Yeah, I would have that.
You want iced or hot?
I want it hot because
Hot?
it's so cold outside. That's why I'm looking for a coffee shop because it's cold outside. I want
Yeah.
something to warm my body up. Okay.
So you want latte, you want syrup with it, yeah?
Yeah.
It's a caramel, vanilla.
I'm just not sure if my credit card would be accepted here. SMS
What's
International.
wrong? Oh, no, it's alright.
It's alright?
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay.
So you want a latte?
Yeah, I want some latte. And
And you said you want syrup. So we have caramel, vanilla, hazelnut, honeycomb, gingerbread.
I would love to have the hazelnut.
Hazelnut? Hazelnut latte and
Yeah.
brioche French toast.
Oh, wait, what do you recommend from among all of those?
I actually don't know.
I'm sorry?
I don't know. Every day I just choose different. So
What is the best seller among of them?
I would say caramel or vanilla.
Caramel or vanilla?
Yeah, classic.
I've been having that.
You want caramel?
Every time I went inside a coffee shop. Yeah, I want
vanilla.
hazelnut.
Hazelnut?
Okay.
Okay. So
Thanks.
hazelnut latte and brioche French toast with bacon?
Yeah, thank you so much. So yan girl, ayan guys, nakapag-order na tayo. Tingnan ko lang kung dala ko yung credit card ko. My gosh, hindi ko sure ko. For sure dala ko naman. Ay, sorry. And eto yung area niya guys. Ayan, Betty's Coffee Shop. Dito sa may Cardiff area. So ang bait ng yung teenager ng attendant. Tsaka gusto ko dito super warm. The most important is mas dito mainit. yan. At saka makikiconnect tayo sa wifi nila, no? Hindi pwedeng hindi tayo makiconnect sa wifi. Isa yun sa perks natin kung bakit tayo nasa coffee shop, guys. Okay. So guys, ayan, inaantay natin yung order natin. Order tayo ng nag-order tayo ng brioche French toast. Hindi ko alam ano yun. Brioche French toast with crispy bacon and ang tawag din ng isa hazelnut latte. Okay, so natin yung order natin. Ang ano dito, ang warm. Kaya maganda kasi ang warm. Kaya sa labas guys, sobrang lamig. Betty's. Tatanungin ko sana kung meron silang kung meron silang adobo na chicken at saka mojito. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. At ko sana kung meron silang adobo na chicken at saka rice. Ang sarap. Ang sarap, guys. Sarap siya. Dapat may heart doon sa bubbles para ano siya, para may Starbucks effect yung ano nila yung coffee. Ay, sugar. O yung mga condiments na siguro kung kulang yung timpla, gusto ko lang maalat, may mga condiments na sila dito. Si Aling Beth, dapat pala bumili na ako ng persimmon. Tapos kinain ko dito sa coffee shop at saka yung tawag doon, yung prutas na gusto kong binihin para pwede kainin dito. Yung coffee nila comes with a piece of stick o. Yeah, thank you. Ang sarap ng coffee.
Very good.
And then on, you can put your bacon. Go ahead. Hey, boy.
Can I include you in my video?
No.
No, thank you.
Gabby, you want in the video? You want in the video?
Just to say hello.
Just to say hello.
So, eto guys, nagulat siya.
Hi from Betty's.
So, eto, yeah, hello. Hello. Hi, from Betty. What's your name?
Gabi.
Gabi, hello. My name is Dario. I'm from the Philippines.
Philippines?
Yes.
I'm Filipino.
I am from Lithuania.
Hi, Chair.
I met Anya.
Anya?
Yeah, he's from Lithuania. Lithuania when I was in Bangkok.
Bangkok? Oh, yeah. We love Thailand.
Yeah. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much. Ayun, nag-say hello siya. So, eto yung niya. Si Gabi daw siya. Ito yung yung food nila. Guys, ang sarap. Parang ayong kainin. Parang gusto ko lang ano, i-display. Okay, so huwag natin patagalin. Tikman na natin yung kanilang brioche French toast from Betty's, all the way from Cardiff, Northern Ireland. Unahin natin yung kanilang bacon, crispy bacon daw. Olive oil to, for sure. Wow. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng ano. Ang sarap ng bacon nila. Saka yung bread, ang sarap. Ito pala yun. Yung brioche. Sorry. Para makita yung food natin.